Gangsters on the beat.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we have a completely different type of hair, which I am so happy about actually, because I feel like I've been doing just the same type and the same kind of hairstyles, and this was just so different, you guys. I haven't worn a bang or a fringe in like 5 years or more. If I'm right, it's been like such a long time since I worn this hairstyle. This used to be my favorite hairstyle back in the days. I used to wear this hairstyle all the time, especially when they were like big events, because I don't know, I just felt like it just gave my face a different look, and I feel like it suits me so much, which is why I was so obsessed with this hairstyle. But I think I overdid it, and that's why I haven't had a fringe wig in such a long time. Therefore, I decided to collaborate with Kriyya Hair, who sponsored this video and have sent me this beautiful bang wig to try on, and I am super amazed. Like, when I saw this hair out of the box, I lost hope. Absolutely lost hope. I'm like, oh my god, this is not going to suit me. This is not going to be a good hairstyle. But I was wrong, because this hairstyle is still banging. It is still looking really nice. Before we go into styling this hair, I would like for you guys to check the links down below, as Kriyya Hair have some promotion going on right now, so make great use out of these discounts. We need these discounts, you know. It's good once in a while to just kind of save a penny. So make sure you guys check the links down in the description box. And if you guys would like to see how I achieved this beautiful, stunning bang wig by Kriyya Hair, make sure you keep watching. So guys, that was me done styling this hair. What did you guys think? Like, what did you guys think? I really like it. I also love the softness of this wig. Like, this hair feels so soft. Kriyya Hair has really good grade A quality hair. Anyways, I really adored this hair, and I also hope that you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be having a lot more hair reviews for you guys, and also hair techniques. We can never get enough of hairs, and we can never get enough of slaying. So I'll catch you guys up on my next video. Bye now.